Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Generative Code Art. I know you people are eagerly waiting for the next video, but this time I had taken a bit longer than the previous videos. And trust me, I really apologize for that. But it is also well said that it is better to come correct than late. According to Hindu calendar, Savan month is considered to be the month of Lord Shiva. So let's generate Shiva via code this Savan. And here is the image that I am going to build today. And the code for that is here. Hey friends, don't get afraid of viewing the code length as it is a bit longer but not difficult to understand. So I am going to comment them first to let you people have the better understanding of the code. As I have commented the code, the only part that is visible in the browser is the grid. So let's start with the code. As in the previous video, here also I have used that HTML5 canvas element and some of its inbuilt methods and properties such as stroke style, fill style, line width, stroke, fill, functions, etc. And in the same way, I have declared the context object of canvas element in the JS part. And the variable r that I have declared here helped me to get the points over the canvas. Moving down to the code, I am first going to uncomment the code written to create the coiled hair of Shiva. So save the uncommented code and jump to the browser to see the long frizzy hair of Shiva. After that, I am going to uncomment the code written for the third eye of Lord Shiva. Then save the changes to view the third eye in the browser. Moving down to the other parts of the faces, I am going to uncomment the code written for both the eyes and save them to see the changes in the browser. As of now, all the three eyes are ready. Let's move to uncomment the code written for its nose part and save it to see the differences created in the live server through browser. After that, I am going to uncomment the code written for the calm and steady lips of Lord Shiva. Save the changes and see the changes in the browser. As of now, the meditating face of Lord Shiva is ready. Let's move to uncomment the code written for the earring part of Shiva. Save it and see the changes in the browser. Now I am going to uncomment the code written for the shoulder part of Shiva. Save it and see the visual in the browser. As of now, 75% of image is completed. Still, the two most important parts are remaining. First one is the snake, the most beloved devotee of Lord Shiva, and the second one is the throat lines where the Lord Shiva has stored the poison to save the world. So now I am going to uncomment the code written for the snake of the Lord Shiva and save it and see The supreme devotee of Lord Shiva is ready now. At last, I am going to uncomment the code written for the throat lines, save it, and see the complete image of meditating Shiva is ready now. I hope you guys have liked this video, so please let me know through your comments and share it, and also subscribe it if you want to get the update of latest videos. Thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.